Hi everybody, my name is Martin, QA engineer at Tatum, and in this video I will show you how to use our TypeScript SDK to do RPC call on Litecoin to get the best block hash, which is basically the last known block. If you need more information or you want to use more methods, you can go to our documentation page docs.tatum.com. For this example, we will go to Litecoin RPC documentation, get best block hash. As you can see, just 3 lines of code. So let's jump to the Visual Studio. So basically we only have the import of our SDK, then initialization of our SDK and the network itself. Here we will choose Litecoin. As you can see, you can also choose the testnet, but for this example we will use mainnet. So save it. We need to install our SDK. Install tatum.com/js and then run the example. As you can see, as the output you have the hash of the last block, which can be used in other RPC call where you can get more info about this block. Hope it helps and see you around.